Hey everyone, I'm Rusty Wink, the Hat Guy with First Bank Mortgage, and I'm here today with Ed Nanney with 4Sight Legal Services. Is that correct?
Correct, 4Sight.
All right, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and your business, Ed?
At 4Sight, we provide business counsel and estate planning advice. I refer to a lot of it as legacy planning. In my estimation, one of the most important things we can do, people talk about planning for their wealth, but they've got their financial wealth, but they've got four other kinds of wealth. The word wealth originates from well-being. And so the well-being of a family includes certainly their financial wealth. It also includes their human capital, the people, their health, their education, their maintenance. It includes their intellectual capital, their academic and education training, their accomplishments, financial training. And then it includes both their social capital, which are the relationships of the family, and then also even the spiritual capital, which has to do with their shared dreams and visions. And through the estate planning process, we really try to help families conserve and promote that wealth.
That's very interesting. Thank you for sharing that. So what do you find is a really common piece of advice that you give to clients or prospective clients when you meet with them?
I think the important thing with regard particularly to, and it applies both to business counsel and also to estate planning, is to make sure that you document what you want and that you maintain those documents, because what you do in a given year may be good for a few months, it may be good for decades, but probably not, because life has gone on and you need to adjust your plans to be current to your circumstances. And so for an estate plan to be successful, I think it needs to be self-determined, needs to be up to date, and this is an acronym: self-determined, up to date, comprehensive. It needs to be clear. It needs to be enhancing your situation. It needs to be sustainable, something that, again, lasts over the years. And then finally, it needs to be shared. Because whether it's with your business partners, if it's with your employees, if it's with your family, that your plans are shared makes them more likely to be successful.
That is very good advice. So last question, what is your why? Like what drives you in your business?
Really the things that I've already touched on. I prefer the counsel part of the law practice, where through asking good questions, maybe provoking thought, and maybe sharing my own experiences and my own education, that it will be a benefit to the people that I meet with.
All right. Well, thanks, Ed. I appreciate chatting with you today.
Thank you.
Again, this is Chat with the Hat Guy. I'm Rusty Wink with First Bank Mortgage.